Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin update today. So if I did futures, I will short Bitcoin at 106,260. This was posted out today, by the way, and I would have put a stop, and I will actually sell this one at $87,000. And by the way, I said that huge volatility in the next 4 hours because 20 January was coming up. And I wanted to challenge myself if I had $50,000 and open up short position on Bitcoin for 1x short, I would have been up $1,000 in 30 minutes. And I literally shorted the absolute top before it actually came to the downside. And of course, if you've been following my channel, if you watch what I did with Bitcoin, for what I've been talking about Bitcoin in the previous updates as well, you guys do know that what I've been doing. So this was where I was looking at Bitcoin, and I noticed what Bitcoin was really doing. So the logic behind opening up that position for Bitcoin, I'm gonna go on into the 15 minutes time frame, and I want to show you one thing here. So I'm gonna remove the chart pattern, and let's go to the current time frame here. Now on the 15 minutes time frame, Bitcoin was consolidating for a very, very long time. Number one, let's draw a trend line, the resistance trend line of this broadening wedge, which I talked about so many times. So the broadening wedge was like this, right? So this was how the broadening wedge really looked like. And the last minute, right? The last minute was a lot of people were planning to have their stop losses right over here. This is where people had their stop losses. And I say this in my trading course, which I made for 19 hours. And I go into topic when I discuss about this one, that other people's stop losses are your entry position, right? So I toned down into 15 minutes time frame, and I saw that Bitcoin was consolidating for a very, very long time, and people had their stop loss here. They thought their entries were good. This is their stop losses. We're going to go down from here. We're just consolidating. Anytime soon, we're going to go down, right? So what does Bitcoin do? Move up a little bit, take that stop losses, and this, wherever people have their stop losses, this is your entry, right? And literally, Bitcoin literally just went all the way down, right? From there, it was pushed down because of the news, because of Trump news. Trump is, today's the first day of Trump entering in his office. So you made a double top right over here on the 1 minute time frame, breakdown below, boom, right? And ever since then, it has been history. Now, by the end of the month, let's actually now climb up the ranks of the time frame. Look how time frames are important and how I'm reading all this time frame for you. So I'm taking advantage of everything. I can be a scalper. I can be a swing trade. Today, I scalped the market. And do you know, I'm going to show you a conversation because I have to. And the thing is that if anyone traded this in reality, first of all, congrats and book your profit. I actually kind of posted it as some sort of a signal, and smart people understood why I posted this message, this one right over here. Okay, it was the prices were trading right over here, exactly at that prices, and a lot of people entered. They opened up short position with stop loss at $107,000. This guy alone made 46%. Let's look at one more person who posted this one, and I think it was back in general channel, I guess. Let's see who posted. All right, so this guy also got like 11% win by 5x. So a lot of people were able to win. Now, do you know one more thing? One more thing is, today I just posted Melania meme coin. We missed anyone who missed Trump. I posted this one on the private, and private is open up for February today. We have 10 days to close. And Melania was trading at $4, and today Melania is sitting at nearly $9. I don't know what kind of a price it's going to be by the time you watch the video. Anyways, Bitcoin, guys, on a perfect world, we should be looking at Bitcoin moving to this lower part of the broadening wedge, and it can actually go all the way to that $85,000. And there is a CME gap, guys. There's still a CME gap, and that actually is at $77,000. So maybe $85,000 is not really going to be the bottom, but time will tell. By the time we go all the way down here to the lowest part of it, we're going to see. But I think now the best stop loss for Bitcoin is if really Bitcoin comes up to probably, I would say, $108,000, we're going to see Bitcoin absolutely probably pushing to $120,000 because it's going to destroy this whole pattern. And that's all for the video on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.